Well, I'm here just to give a little recap of my 2021 season here in PA. Me and my dad both shot bucks in rifle. Unfortunately, it took that long, but it is what it is. We got it done. It was really warm this year. Extremely warm, super humid. Of course, there's a dog barking now. But we had a ton of chances, and during the rut, it started getting hot down around, I don't know, October 27th maybe. That's when it really started getting going with the rut, for us at least. I know I saw all three of the shooters, plus we had one buck move in that was a shooter for a week. But my dad actually hit a buck high. I think it was November 1st. At 30 yards, he ducked a shot. No man's land. It is what it is. My dad had so many opportunities, just never worked out. It kind of same with me, but I had our biggest buck of the property at 40 yards. My dad actually had that same buck at 20 yards in the morning. He was just about to draw, and perfect wind, didn't make a noise. Starting to draw, and the buck looked right up at him. But that's why he's so old and big. He has to be pretty smart to be living in PA. But I had a buck at 24 yards, and I needed to take 3 more steps to get into the clearing, and he never did. He tended to doe. That kind of really finished out the archery season then. I sat 2 full days without seeing a deer. Took off from school. That was rough, but stuck it out. First day of rifle came around. I saw a bunch of deer that day. I think I saw like 10. Saw one of our shooters at like 120 yards, and I'll play that footage then. But my dad hunted in the morning, didn't see anything. Hunted our big food plot at night, and had a bunch of deer come out. It was just probably around 50-ish. I heard a shot, and it was him. He shot a real old 7-point. If we think we sent in the teeth to get aged, but we think he's at least 8.5, which is unreal for PA. He's only a 7-point, but deer's head and body is huge. I hunted Sunday then. Saw a couple deer. I think I saw like 8, something like that. Monday I hunted. Didn't see much. First Friday, Dad came and picked me up from school. I had a test in the morning, and he came and picked me up. Hunted Friday, and then Saturday morning, that's when I shot my buck at 7:11, I think the time was. And I have that footage too. It's all right footage. The reason I didn't have it in frame the first shot was because my wind. I could see my wind. I could see my wind blowing to the deer. And I didn't like that. So I just kind of turned the camera on and got a shot. And then I shot. He came running this way, stopped in front of me about 75 yards, and I dropped him there. And then he actually ran in the frame, which is lucky, I guess. I don't know what else to say. This is my first year self-filming. It's not easy, I'll tell you that. And I have the videos for you guys to watch. no-name area. But we'll see what happens tonight.
Nice big head. It's got the Roman nose.
Yeah.
He's really rubbing.
I saw that. His head is huge.
Look how big his neck is.
I know. Alright, you want some pictures?
Yeah, let's get some pictures.
Good morning. It is November 28th, the second day of rifle here in PA. We got about, I don't know, an inch and a half to 2 inches of snow last night, which is awesome. It's about 27 degrees right now. I think it's like 7:50. I had 3 doe this morning on top of me. I couldn't really move or do anything. A couple turkeys, but other than that, that's about it. My dad shot a buck last night at the food plot about 400 yards from here. Super old buck. He's only a 7-point, but we think he's at least, if we think. Sorry, I thought I saw something. If it is the buck we think it is, he's at least 8.5, which is insane for PA or really anywhere. His rack's not that big, but. dead right there, baby.